draw a lot. Now also I draw a lot. And when I was little, I used to draw on the walls. Then my father brought me some paper, A4 sheet paper and some sketch pens. So I started drawing a lot, and there were a lot of pictures, and these are my 5 favorite pictures. We framed them and we have hanged them in our living room. So I will explain to you one by one all the drawings. So let's start with this one. So this is our family. That is me, my mother and my father. And my mother has very long hair and very long feet. And me and my father are like hanging in the air. And there's the sun and we are standing outside. And this photo is me and my friends together playing something. We are gathered around in a circle and we're playing something. And this is my play school, and that's our teacher, and I guess that's me, and those are all my friends. This picture is of me and my friend. We are playing with a kite, and we are outside. There's our house and there's the sun, and we are having fun. And this might be my most favorite picture because this is of my grandmother, and she has visited USA a couple of times, and when she went for the first time and when she returned, I drew her picture like this with crazy dress and hair and all of that. So I drew all of the pictures when I was 3 in the year 2012, and I did all of these with crayons, pens and sketch pens. So now also I do a lot of drawings, mostly digital art and watercolor. So I will also show you a tour of that. So but that's for another video. So hope you liked the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Chirpy Girl. Bye!